Hi, I'm Alicia with IneedAHubcap.com. Today, we're looking at this factory original hubcap that originally came on a 2013 to 2017 Nissan Sentra. This is the OEM product, meaning that it's the actual hubcap that came on a new car exactly like yours and has the manufacturer's logo on it. So you know this is going to be a perfect match to your car. Here at IneedAHubcap.com, we get these hubcaps used, and then our in-house professional reconditioning process makes them like new. The hubcap you'll receive is just like this one. It's in beautiful condition and clean on the front and back. All the hubcaps we sell include everything you need to mount it on the car. There are no broken pieces or cracks on the front or back. Because we start with a used hubcap and make it like new again, we pass the savings on to you. All of our factory original hubcaps are much less than you'd pay for one at the dealer. Plus, we'll ship it for free. And don't worry about quality. We've got the best reconditioning process in the industry. And we back every hubcap with a lifetime warranty on the finish. Our website makes it easy to order exactly what you need in just a couple minutes. Then, receive your replacement hubcap in just a few days.
IneedAHubcap.com has thousands of hubcaps in stock ready for immediate shipment. We've been in business for over 20 years and have a friendly professional staff ready to take your call or email if you have any questions about getting the right hubcap for your car. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your business.